Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2018 Dodge Journey Canadian Touring Package. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.4-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get that lovely spare tire. We got a roof spoiler with a rear wiper, mud flaps on the rear and front, and moving to the front real quick, we do get that nice Dodge grill. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got 12-volt hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You can collapse this last row for additional storage, and you do get more storage underneath, and all you do is just lift this up where your jack and adjusters for your spare tire, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice cloth interior, adjustable seats, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back. You can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, which is pretty handy, and you do get a nice little 12-volt outlet for all your charging necessities. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, lights, parking brake, hood opener, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 88,445 kilometers. We get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, cruise control, toggle-free screen, volumes and modes behind the steering wheel. You can go for your fuel economy, vehicle speed, trim info, tire pressure, vehicle info, messages, turn menu off, audio, all that jazz. And to my right, you got your gear select, you got your center console with tons of storage, cup holders, more storage here with an aux USB and a 12-volt. You got dual climate up front, CD, hazards, all your climate controls, little storage here, engine start stop, storage below. Looking here, we have our radio.
The devil's agenda.
Ooh, that's interesting. Which has AM, FM, all that jazz, Bluetooth. You got your CD player, climate controls as well, all touchscreen as well. Settings such as your lights, all that jazz. More such as your temperature control, time, and you can turn your screen on or off. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA79641A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.